Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for all your DIY needs. Today, we're talking about the best Dremel wood carving and metalworking accessory, the Tungsten Carbide Rotary Burr set for Dremel. This 10-piece set is designed to handle all your precision tasks. Whether you're carving, engraving, drilling, or working with wood, metal, or plastic, these carbide burrs are built to last. Crafted from high-quality tungsten carbide steel, these rotary burrs offer excellent durability and resistance to wear and tear, meaning you can trust them for long-term use. The set features a variety of burr shapes like ball, flame, cone, and cylinder with an end cut, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Whether you're fine-tuning edges, smoothing out rough surfaces, or tackling intricate designs, this set is equipped to handle it. The 1/8-inch shank diameter fits most small rotary tools like Dremels, ensuring compatibility with your existing tools. One of the standout features of this burr set is the double-cut design. This design allows for more efficient material removal and makes the burrs especially effective on materials with lower densities such as wood, aluminum, and plastic. The carbide material itself is incredibly tough, allowing these burrs to maintain their sharpness, even when working on tougher materials like steel and alloy. Additionally, the set comes with a compact storage case, ensuring that your burrs stay organized and protected when not in use. This is a huge bonus if you like to keep your workspace tidy and your tools easy to find. For those of you involved in DIY woodworking, metalworking, engraving, or model making, this set is a must-have. The precision and quality of these carbide burrs make them an essential addition to your toolkit. Whether you're an experienced craftsman or just starting, this rotary burr set will help elevate the quality of your projects. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews that help you make the best choices for your projects. Happy crafting!